Hi, I'm Lex Moreau, Product Management Director at CloneForce. In this video, we'll clear up one of the most important and sometimes confusing topics for new users: the difference between clones, skills, and roles in Clone Studio. By the end, you'll know how these pieces fit together to create powerful, specialized digital teammates for your organization. Let's start with the big picture. In Clone Studio, a clone is more than just an AI assistant. It's a digital teammate with its own personality, knowledge, and set of capabilities. Each clone is designed to help with specific tasks, workflows, or job functions, and can even represent a real person or a company-wide shared resource. Now, what gives a clone its abilities? That's where skills come in. Think of skills as modular apps or tools you can install and enable for each clone. Skills are what let your clone take action, like sending emails, analyzing data, connecting to Slack, or generating images. You can browse, add, and configure skills from the Skills tab inside any clone's profile. Some skills require you to set up external connections, like linking your Google or Salesforce account, so the clone has permission to access those systems. A clone can only use the skills that are enabled for it. This means you have complete control over what each clone can do: turn skills on or off, group them for specific job functions, and adjust settings as needed. If you want your clone to summarize PDFs or automate calendar events, you'll need to enable those skills and configure the right connections. Now let's talk about roles. Roles are like blueprints for how a clone should behave and interact. While skills define what a clone can do, roles shape how it does it, setting the tone of voice, response priorities, and even the personality or approach for different use cases. For example, you might have one clone set up as an executive assistant, another as a product explainer, and a third as a customer support rep. Each role can come with its own set of recommended skills, but you're always able to customize further. Here's a key point. When you create a new clone, referencing the company and intended role is crucial. This helps set system instructions so the clone understands its duties and expectations right from the start. The knowledge files you upload, like manuals, SOPs, or product docs, play a big part in shaping the clone's effective role, making it smarter and more specialized. Best practice is to use shared clones with clear roles for team-wide functions. For example, having a dedicated product management clone or marketing clone ensures consistent expertise and streamlined workflows, especially when multiple users interact with the same digital teammate. Let's recap with a quick analogy. Imagine building a high-performance sports car. The clone is the car itself, its body, engine, and personality. Skills are the features and gadgets you add, like GPS, turbo mode, or Bluetooth. Roles are the driving style and purpose: race car, family sedan, or delivery van. And your knowledge files are the car's manual, teaching it how to handle any road. By understanding how clones, skills, and roles work together, you'll be able to design digital teammates that are not just smart, but truly tailored to your business needs. Thanks for joining me to explore clones, skills, and roles in Clone Studio. The more you understand and customize these elements, the more powerful and effective your digital teammates become. For more tips on building and optimizing clones, check out our other how-to videos or reach out to the CloneForce team. See you next time!